Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you stop calling on your Android until you turn these settings off. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you frequently use your phone to call or message someone and basically sharing your data, well, this will be kind of complicated. Now, we all know certain permissions are required for the app to work, but certain permissions are not actually required. So you may want to check those. So how do we check them? So first things first, you want to open up your settings app here, and you want to scroll down a bit here until you see the section for apps. Let's go open it up. Now, inside apps here, you want to go ahead and look for phone. So go to search apps, or you can go and just scroll down a bit here and just look for it manually. But in my case, we do have the phone app here. Let's go open it up. Now, from here, the first thing that you want to visit here is going to be your app permissions. So go to app permissions, and you want to look for the first permission here, which is going to be location. Let's go access location. Now, from here, I would highly recommend you to use the don't allow option. Now, usually the phone app doesn't necessarily need to use the location permission on your app here, so you can go and turn it off. And also, if you really want to use location for some reason, just make sure to use it. Use the option here that says allow only while using the app. Now, if you set this to allow always, well, your phone app will always have access to your location. So just set it to either don't allow only while using the app, or ask every time. But in my case, I'm going to set this to don't allow. Now, also at the top right of your screen, you should see $3 option. Let's go and just press that or click on it and click on all permissions. Now, if you're not aware yet, these are all of the permissions that your phone has access, besides what we just saw before. Now, usually there are going to be other permissions here, like for example, taking photos, finding accounts in here, which is the typical stuff. But then again, certain permissions are not actually required, like for example, taking pictures and videos. Now, unless you need to have like a video call, if your phone or carrier actually supports that, you can go ahead and turn this off. So again, this app can take pictures and record videos using the camera. You can turn that off if your phone actually allows it. Now, certain phones may not allow you to turn that off, but in this case, it actually depends on your phone. But in this case, you want to look for any permissions here that you think you don't need or you don't frequently use. You can go and just select that and just turn off the permission for it. Now, another thing that you may want to visit here is going to be your other settings. So what are the other things that we need to visit? So you want to go ahead and just basically exit the settings here, and you want to open up your phone or the actual phone app here. Click on the 3-bar icon at the top left and go and click on settings. Now, in your settings, you want to make sure that caller ID and spam is properly set up. So if you click or press on it, it should give you the option that says filter spam calls. Now, it is highly recommended that you turn this on. So if someone tries calling you, or a spam number, or if someone actually spams certain numbers, tries to call you, it will be filtered out. So they won't be able to reach you. So turning this on would actually help a lot in the future. Now, if you want to see the C-caller and spam IDs to identify business and spam numbers here, you can go and turn that on as well, just to be on the safe side. Now, also, you can go and start managing other settings in here as well. But in some cases, there is a specific setting here that some phones actually have, which is the call recording functionality. Now, some phones would have this and some do not. So if you do see an option here that says call recording, you may want to access that and see if any calls are actually recorded on your phone. Now, if you don't want to use that as well, you can go and turn off that feature as well in your phone. But then again, like what I said, this actually totally depends on your phone. Some phones actually support it and some do not. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.